Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing my crowd pleaser, shrimp fried rice. It's quick and easy. Let's do it. Just a little bit of seasoning will go a long way. Lightly season them. Now, if you don't have what I'm using on my shrimp, just feel free to use whatever you have. Make do with whatever you have, and I'm sure it will be great. God bless you. You only need about a tablespoon of this sesame oil. This is very powerful. Just a little bit now. All right. Now, if you have the fresh ginger, go ahead and use it. I am all out, so I'm just using a little bit of this ginger powder. How does that sound? Now it's time for the veggies. If you want to use the frozen veggies instead, feel free, go ahead. Make it yours. But this is what I'm adding in my shrimp fried rice today. All right. Guess what, family and friends? Stale rice is the best for shrimp fried rice. I cooked this yesterday and I had 2 cups left, and now I'm making shrimp fried rice with it. How does that sound? This is the low sodium soy sauce I'm using today. If you want to use the regular one, you work that, but be sure not to use or add any salt, okay, because that has enough sodium in it already. Okay, now I'm adding the scallions in last. It's just like for a little for extra flavor and garnish. The heat is now turned off. It's ready to eat. Okay, this is the last mixing before we enjoy this. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.